Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to customize themes and animations in Telegram. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open Telegram and tap on the menu icon that is at top left corner, 3 horizontal line. And then you need to click on settings. Scroll down and here you will get an option of chat settings, which is the first option under settings. Here you will get various color themes. As you can see, you can customize it according to your need, whichever you want to choose. Once you have done this, if you want some another themes, you can also browse it as well by clicking on browse themes. Here you will get all the different themes. If you want to edit the current theme, you can click on edit current theme. You can change the color over here. Whatever color you want, you can choose it. And post that, in order to save it, you can click on save icon at upper right corner. You can again go back and there are different options. If you want to switch to day mode from night mode, you can click on day mode. When you will scroll down, if you want 2 lines or 3 lines, chat list view, basically you can choose it according to your need. There are various options. The chat list swipe gesture, here you can choose it according to your need. You can make the changes as well. If you want auto night mode, you can enable it. In-app browser, you can toggle it on if you want open any external link. If anyone sends you, you can toggle it on. If it's disabled, you won't be able to log in. Here then you will see an option of animations. Click on this animations and from here you can make changes to the animation. If you want animated stickers, you can enable it. If you don't want it, you can disable it. Same goes to animation details in chats, emojis, stickers in call. You can customize it from here. So this is how you can customize the themes and animation in Telegram. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.